Hello, my name is Carol Hammer. I'm from Teachers College, Columbia University, and this is a follow-up to professional development that we recently did in Ghana. And this is my colleague, Belinda Bukhari.
Hello, I'm Belinda Bukhari, in charge of education of learners with intellectual and developmental disabilities at the Special Education Division, Ghana Education Service, Headquarters, Accra. This video corresponds to Phonological Awareness Set A, Introduction to the Awareness of Sounds and Syllables.
On the screen is a list of activities that are covered in this set. When you do these activities, remember to think aloud and model the answers for children and not just ask the children for questions and test them. Also, remember to work on this set of activities until the children can do them independently, which may take 2 to 3 months or more. Then it is okay to go on to the next set.
So what we're going to do is listen to the sounds that I say. And what we're going to start with is the S sound. So you're going to listen for the S sound. So listen. Sun, sing, sang, sit, see, saw, 6. Now I'm going to say some sentences. Sally sings songs on Saturday. Do you hear the sound? Can you make the sound with me? You did? All right, now let's try the sound. Okay, we're going to listen now. Listen. Mom, meet, my, men, mad, may. Now we can say sentences with the sound. Mom makes meat on Mondays. Did you hear the sound? Make it with me again. All right, great job. Give yourselves a hand. All right, so I want you to tell me what word I said. Candy. What word did I say? Christmas? Presents? Or candy? What word did I say? Candy. Was it Christmas? Christmas? Candy? No. Christmas? No. Candy. Presents? Candy? No. Candy. Candy. That's the same, right? Candy. All right. All right. Now, what word am I saying? Circle. Is it charger, circle, or ruler? Circle. Charger, circle, or ruler? It's circle. Listen, circle. Circle. Got it? All right, now let's do another one. Now listen, we have scissors. What word did I say? Tissue, scissors, or bottle? Listen,